Workplace hygiene practices in the kitchen. A kitchen is considered as the heart of the household. It is where food is prepared for the entire family. Hence, it is important to keep it clean and hygiene at all times.
Hello everyone, good day. For today's video, I'm gonna share to you the workplace hygiene practices in the kitchen. So the first thing that I should do is to fix myself first. And what should I gonna do is to remove all these accessories that can be found in my body so that to avoid the disturbance during the working time, during the task that I will be going to do. So first let's remove this. We'll be removing these scissors. And of course this one as well. Take some little this one. And of course this one. And of course this one. Okay, we're all fixed. And of course, before I proceed to executing the workplace hygiene in the kitchen, I should put an apron to prevent the direct spills on my clothes, so to avoid being dirty. So I put this one, and of course I should fix myself as well, my hair, to avoid this being disturbed while I am doing the task. So as you can see, the kitchen is very dirty, and of course before I start touching anything in this kitchen, I should wash my hand first. I should clean my hand first. So let's do that. Let's put in soap.
Cleanse hands for at least 1 minute using warm water and soap. Glasses, plates, and other utensils must not be left dirty in the kitchen because it may cause contamination with other equipments. Washing plates every after eating is very important to avoid the contamination. Plates, glasses, and other utensils were the most important tools that we use when we eat every single meal. It must be washed with the appropriate dishwashing liquids. Food residue in tools can cause food contamination. Air dry wash tools, or if possible, wipe it with a clean cloth. Drying the utensils is important to prevent the dust from sticking in it that usually becomes bacteria. After drying all the washed utensils, put it on a dishwashing rack.
Putting glasses in order to avoid the contamination of dirt into the water, into the glasses cups. And of course, we should clean it first before we
Covering it up after putting on the dishwashing rack is important to prevent contamination from bugs and insects. Cleaning the tables frequently is important, thus we use it anytime and we put anything on it.
We can also use liquid soap or a chlorine solution to sanitize it. Clean countertops and other surfaces frequently with cleaning products or with water and soap. We can also use chlorine solution to sanitize the area. Garbages must be placed in a garbage bin. Regular cleaning is a must to avoid the contamination in the kitchen. If we don't do regular cleaning in our kitchen, the spread of viruses and bacteria is unpreventable. We must always check and clean the surfaces because there are bacteria that cannot be seen by our naked eye. And of course, cleaning the tools after use is important to prevent it from getting rust. And of course, we can use a dishwashing liquid in cleaning it. After cleaning the tools, we can put it or we can hang it on its desired place. Equipment like burner must be cleaned regularly to avoid it from getting damaged or to avoid it from getting rust. Washing and wiping kitchen equipment and stubs is important to reduce risk of cross-contamination. Common areas must be maintained clean, such as refrigerator handles, light switches, surfaces must be clean because it is the areas where it is commonly touched by anyone in the kitchen. Refrigerator must have its own towels or clean cloth that would hang on the refrigerator handle. Tables must be sanitized regularly with chlorine solution to get rid of bad odor. Table is where we spend our meals. This is where food is served and where we eat. So it must be cleaned regularly every after meal. After it is being sanitized by chlorine solutions, we must wipe it with a dry cloth. And of course, sweeping the floor is important because there are dust that falls on the floor while we do the cleaning of the above part of the kitchen, such as in the tables, in the countertops, on the surfaces. Maintaining hygiene in the kitchen and keeping it clean all the times becomes necessary for a variety of reasons, such as personal, psychological, health, social, or as a normal way of life. The more we practice cleanliness in our kitchen, the more safe we are, and of course, our family as well. Thus, following the health standards helps prevent the spread of bacteria, infections, and bad odor. Thank you for watching and God bless.